Hello, this is Maestro X. I'm going to go over the level 2 word volume for quarter 3, week 5. 2 syllables volume. The emphasis on the first syllable, vowel. So volume, not volume, volume. And it's only a noun, and there's 2 definitions. I'll go over both. The first is the amount of space that an object or a substance fills, the amount of space that a container has. And most of you know this from your math class and your science class. You know, height times width times depth is the volume of a box or a container. And we can use as a sentence, the sentence for today kind of goes with this first definition. An orator may alter the volume of his or her voice for effect. An orator is a speaker. Alter means change. So an orator may change the volume, the amount of space that the voice fills in the room. All right, if you speak loudly, you fill the room with your voice. If you speak softly, maybe only the people in the front row can hear you. And there is a missing period here. No, not anymore. So, for those of you who are visual learners, you might have an orator, and they might say, "Stay strong. Stay strong." All right? Or they might say, "Stay strong." And so just changing the volume, the amount of how loud your voice is, how much your voice fills the room, can have a different effect. All right? Stay strong. Okay. So, you have as your second definition just simply the amount of something. The amount of something. So, if you have a lot of studying to do, then you can say I have a high volume of studying to do. If you have a lot of maybe shoes, then you can say you have a large volume of shoes. Okay? And so your adjective, voluminous, actually has the connotation of a lot. Okay? A lot. So the amount of shoes I have is voluminous. Okay? It means you have a lot of them. Alright? So while volume in itself is a neutral, it doesn't say how much space or how much of something, the adjective implies a lot of it. So when you graduate from Escuela Popular, you will have a lot of flashcards. And so you can say the amount of flashcards that you will have will be voluminous. All right? So you have some synonyms. Body, which is kind of like when we're not talking about body, we're not talking about the human body here. We're just talking about how much is something. Like the body of our audience might be large. So if we have a large audience, you can say, oh, we have a large audience body. Or at Escuela Popular, we have a large student body. It doesn't mean one single person. It just means the amount of students that we have at Escuela Popular. Another synonym is quantity. You can also say size and dimensions. All right. So you need to write your own original sentence about yourself using volume and draw an illustration. And happy studying.